Hey YouTube family, this is St. Patrick's Day, Chicago style. It's kind of scary where I'm making this vlog here because I live in this constant anxiety that I'm gonna drop my phone, and the bottom is the river.
It's nice and busy on board, as you can see. The best thing you can do for us is just hold on to your seats.
I think I should find a new spot to continue the vlog. Everything is just so packed in here. The sidewalks, the bars. That's just a glimpse of how Chicago looks like on St. Patrick's Day. Just look at this, it's packed. There's the river. Down here, it's a little crowded. Let me get some height. You could actually hear those bagpipers playing in the back on the other side of the river. The Columbus Bridge is one of the best places to get the best view of the river, and they blocked it off for obvious reasons.
Hi!
Just say subscribe.
Subscribe!
Thanks, man.
Why do you need the accent?
Let's go on the other side. I think this year it's been a lot more busier compared to the last couple of years. Maybe because of the weather. Last do bar, I think if I remember correctly, the weather was a lot chilly. But this time, the weather speaks for itself. Look at the crowd behind me. And look at the crowd ahead of me. It's jam-packed. How you doing, sir?
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
I'm great.
Do you mind if I try the Shoreline?
Do you know the password?
Well, I don't know the password, but it comes straight from the heart. It's I love Shoreline.
That's it.
You see?
That is the
You see?
password.
Hell yeah.
Unbelievable.
Hey YouTube family, I got the password right anyways, and it's your turn to say the other password now for my channel.
click subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
Thank you so much. Let's go, YouTube family. I haven't been on the boat like ever. So this is gonna be my first time.
Watch your step, guys. Watch your step.
Down or up?
Still space. Watch your
It's
step,
a-
everyone.
You can just say
Hello
subscribe.
from Chicago.
Just
Happy St. Patty's Day.
I really do love Shoreline. Thanks for doing this.
Alright folks, welcome aboard Blue Dog for your water fancy over to Michigan Avenue or Vegas here. We'll be over there in about a few minutes. Blue Dog is United States Coast Guard federally inspected vessel. That means a lot of things, but the most important thing it means for you guys is we have life jackets located on board. Life jackets on the upper deck and the other side of the pop house, the light blue bins. And they're down below. 90 pounds for under a child life jacket, no matter what your age is. Please don't running, no jumping, don't stand on the seats, don't lean over the edge. If you guys want to move out the vessel, please use those handrails when available. We have our bartender is Barton.
You can see where the lake gets into the Michigan River. It's not green anymore.
It's okay to stand up. Once again, remain seated until the crew says it's okay to stand up. Thank you in advance for your patience.
Thank you for driving, sir. Thank you so much for driving. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah. That's how the captain's cabin looks like. And thanks to the captain. You know, YouTube family, this is the first time I've taken a boat in my entire life. And what a great day to actually take it. Great view, great vibe. I'm honestly loving it. And now we're going back. As soon as you cross that bridge over there, you see the water's green back again.
So we just stand up. Thank you in advance for your patience.
And that's it. Thank you, appreciate it. There's a long line waiting for this. All in all, it's a fun experience, man. You know, being on the boat for the first time, and that too on St. Patrick's Day, when the river is completely green. It's fun. Look at all the people waiting there. Thank you so much,
Oh,
Captain.
you're welcome, brother.
Loved it.
I
Thank you
will
so
look for
much.
that thing out
yeah,
there.
I'll let you know the password again. I love
I
Shoreline.
love Shoreline.
Thank you so
Oh,
much. I
yeah.
appreciate it.
All right, I'll look for you there.
Thank you. I need to get out of this place ASAP. And all I smell is alcohol, weed, and it's kind of disgusting, but I do understand. It's the Irish spirit. They're drunk, they drink. Khand peete yaar. These people are out. There's a dance face-off going on here. You know, you might be wondering why these people actually dye the whole river green on St. Patrick's Day. So, besides the obvious guesses, the actual reason was back in 1962, यहाँ का plumbers union यहाँ के sewers के leaks देख रहा था, and they dyed a part of the river green so that they could understand where the leakage was. But I don't think they knew that they were about to start a tradition here.
Tennessee, well, I gotta get a move on fit for the sun. I hear my baby call.
You guys mind if I just play a little bit?
What's that?
You guys mind if I just play it a little bit? Yeah.
You want me to film you?
Guys, I appreciate it, okay? Thank you so much. Enough of downtown life. I think the Wrigleyville jacket try karna chahiye. Right, let's continue from there on. It's 1 in the morning and it's just as busy. The bars are still just as packed. Look at the line. Look at the line. That's all. We're just waiting for the entrance here. The roads are closed, but the sidewalks on both ends, they are open. It doesn't feel like it's 1 in the morning. Holy smokes. Look at that. ये सिर्फ आज का कचरा है. Smoke. I just heard these people saying, it's only 1 in the morning. It's only 1 in the morning for them. I think the party is going to go on for until the sun comes up, or maybe even later for them. You know, it's crazy how it's 5 in the morning and the bars are still full and people are still coming out. Well, that's St. Patrick's Day in Chicago for you. Hey family, I thought of coming in the morning. I think there ho gaya yaar, but I wanted to experience this whole thing when there was no crowd like this.
Would you have to?
I thought it would be a lot more happening if I came at this time. It's all dead now. But all in all, it was one hell of a fun experience. Thanks for watching, YouTube family. I think this is going to be it. There's nothing more here. If you like what you're watching, do consider subscribing to the channel. That helps a lot. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one, YouTube family.